Ready to ditch the paper maps and become a Google Maps guru? First, fire up the Google Maps app on your phone or head to maps.google.com on your computer. The search bar at the top is your magic wand. While you're typed in an address, business, or even a general place like coffee shops near me. Need directions? Tap or click the directions icon, enter your starting point and destination. Google Maps will then show you the best routes. Whether you're driving, walking, biking, or taking public transit, you can even customize your route by avoiding tolls or highways. Want to explore what's around? Zoom in on the map and tap or click on points of interest. You'll see details like photos, reviews, opening hours, and contact information. For a bird's eye view, switch to satellite mode. This lets you see stunning aerial imagery of the world, from mountain ranges to city skylines. Feeling adventurous? Dive into street view by dragging the little yellow pegman onto any street. You can then explore the surroundings in a 360-degree panorama. Stay ahead of the traffic with real-time updates. Google Maps uses color-coded roads to show you where traffic is light, heavy, or stopped. So there you have it. Why Euro, a quick tour of Google Maps. Now get out there and explore the world, one tap at a time.